حالي. 14 ways to make money online in Egypt. Very important video. Subscribe to the channel and like and share the video if you like it, to reach every new video and important video upload. So this is the article and blog. The first thing is freelancing. Different ways in freelancing. Work as the programmer or work the translator. Many different fields in freelancing. You have to register in the freelancer or Upwork. In every some site support the freelancing. Second one, create and sell online courses. Create and sell online courses like YouTube's videos or any platform. But here is the pros and the cons. This is the pros. Positives is growing market of e-learning, flexibility in course creation, passive income potential, wide reach, and low startup costs. But the cons, the negative things, time intensive creation process, and there is technical challenges or technical issues may disturb you or delay you. The third one here is blogging, to make a blog like this one. And there are also pros and the cons. These are the pros. The cons: income uncertainty, high competition, many bloggers. The fourth one, affiliate marketing, to market brands or products for others or for famous companies like Amazon or Facebook or Google or Toyota or any different countries companies. You can affiliate their products. Flexibility is one of the positives. Diverse products and services, no need for product development, performance based earning. And the cons, which is negatives: high competition, dependency on the third parties, which the companies you're selling are their products. Selling ebooks, number 5. Ebooks, you have to produce book. So this is the pros and the cons. Marketing efforts required, and the quality and the professionalism in making your ebook. These are the negative ones. The number 6, sell products online. You can sell and get money online, but this is not good in Egypt because Egyptians need good products, and there's a problem in the dependence of platform algorithms and logistical challenge, like managing shipping, handling and return can be complex. Some companies cannot receive returns. يعني في مشاكل كتيرة جدا في البرودكت اللي هي بتتباع اونلاين. مش اي برودكتس، الحاجات المشهورة واللي عليها ديسكاونت جامد. وطبعا مشاكل في عملية إدارة الشحن، وكمان اللي هو انك انت ترجع البضاعة بتاعتك ما بتعرفش ترجع خالص، حتى لو كانت وحشة، حتى لو كانت سيئة، حتى لو كانت مقطوبة او مكسورة ما تقدرش ترجعها لانك بتكون دفعت الفلوس. ده البيزنس ده مش حلو جدا في مصر خالص. طبعا هو كمان بيديبند على البلاتفورم algorithms like selling platform like Amazon and Jumia, and also there is some problems in these platforms in Egypt. Number 7, app development. To develop application, to develop a website, to develop a web page or any programming language you can use. But this has a lot of pros and cons. Growing technical industry, high demand for digital solutions, potential for high income, creative freedom, remote work opportunities. You can work in the evening, in the morning, in the night, in any suitable time when you have good health, good concentration, you can work and create. But the cons here: technical challenges. Keeping up with rapidly changing technology and the programming language can be challenging and requires constant learning. You have to keep learning and continuous learning, especially for modern challenging language. Like nowadays, the trend language is the Python programming. If you know in C, C++, C, Java, you have to ride the trend and the wave and learn Python, because AI models and AI creation now depend on Python. Number 8, copywriter. You have to write copywriting, and we know you use keyboard for writing for others. برضو هنا في مزايا كتير جدا، حوالي 5 مزايا، لكن الكونس اللي هي inconsistent workflow. Sometimes there is a lot of work and heavy work. You cannot finish at the deadlines, and sometimes you know work, very few work. The second negative one, income instability, because of the disturbance, and sometimes there is heavy work and another time there is low work. There is low income instability. Number 9, proofreading business. This proofreading business is to read articles with errors in grammar errors or syntax errors, grammar errors or language errors, spelling errors, and correct these errors and give it with no errors grammarly or in words as spelling. This is good. Also, the graphic design to design graphs for cover ebooks or images or any solution or any needed work. To design, you have to have a sense of arts. You have a sense of drawing and graphics. You have to the hobby of like this hobby and stay for hours for designing and creation of these graphs. This is very good. The second one is the application development. We said this. Now here we in number 11, I think. Number 10 finished. Number 11 is freelancing translator, to translate from one language to another, articles or books or any technical, if you medical field or engineering field. Online consulting, this is very good if you have a good programming specialization or engineering or electrical engineering or civil engineering or any field, and you have good experience. You can make consulting online consultation. This prevents errors and decrease the efforts for solving these errors which happened in future, and building some projects. So this is very good, online consultation or consulting. But the negatives are market saturation. A lot of business depend or there are many consultants online and professional in different world and around the world. And the second one, inconsistent work and income. Online survey to design surveys for others, or to fill out online surveys, just filling out the survey or pay. And if you have time, extra time for doing this, you can do for 10 minutes daily or half hour early. You will collect money. Last one, online accounting. You can do online accounting if you have the profession of accounting. You can do it online. And number 15, resume business. You can write resumes, good resumes or CVs for others for catching or getting jobs. And this also very competitions. So this is one of the negative, market competition and inconsistent income. Thanks for watching the video. Share it and like it. If you like it, share it. Join or subscribe the channel to reach every important video upload.